Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You want the fastest safe start. Plug the original Vivo brick into a wall outlet first, then connect the cable to the phone. Once done, remove any case so heat can escape and place the phone's screen down on a cool, flat surface. You should enable airplane mode or a power-saving profile to cut radio and background activity. Make sure apps are closed and animations reduced so the phone draws power primarily to the battery instead of running services. Now focus on how the phone accepts charge. Open settings and enable Vivo Fast Charge or Turbo/Boost charging if present, because charging firmware changes current limits and thermal rules. Plug directly into a wall outlet. Laptop USB ports often supply far less current. Once connected, lock the screen and keep the display off. This reduces power draw significantly. Also toggle off Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location services. Finish smartly. For a quick top-up, let the battery reach about 80%. Charging slows near 100% to protect battery health. Once charged, unplug carefully and restore normal settings. If charging stays slow, swap to another original approved cable and adapter to rule out a faulty lead. If problems persist, restart the phone and inspect the USB-C port for lint, corrosion, or bent pins. Cleaning gently with compressed air or a toothpick can restore proper contact and speed up charging again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.